Good morning, everyone. I'm Ishan Sharma, and today I'll be presenting on pattern of function of self-help groups. Now, this presentation explains how self-help groups works in a systematic manner and how they contribute to a financial inclusion and rural development. So, in this presentation, I'll begin with a brief introduction and basic of the self-help groups. Then I'll explain the core function of self-help group, and finally, I'll conclude with integration of these function and key takeaways. So first start with the introduction of the self-help groups. So self-help groups plays a crucial role in empowering rural communities. Now they promote both financial and social growth of their members. Now self-help groups follow the systematic and step-by-step functioning, now which ensures discipline and sustainability of the group. Now they are also key players in rural finance, helping people across formal financial resources. Now let's take a look at the meaning of self-help groups. So a self-help group is a small voluntary group, usually consisting of 10 to 20 members from similar socio-economic backgrounds. Now most self-help groups are women-centric, which helps in building community support and empowerment. Now members regularly save money and lend it to each other. So that is the basic principle followed here is savings first and credit later. Now let's take a look at the pattern of function. So self-help group functions in a structured pattern which strengthen discipline and long-term sustainability. Now each function is progressive and interconnected, so meaning one activity supports the next. This stepwise approach helps self-help group grow gradually and remain stable over time. Now the pattern of function refers to the systematic flow of activities followed by self-help groups. Now it usually begins with savings, followed by credit, then marketing, and finally insurance or risk protection. Now if you look at the main function of self-help groups, so it includes savings, credit, marketing, and insurance. Now each function plays a vital role in strengthening the group and empowering its members. Now let's take a look at the four core functions of the self-help groups, pattern of self-help groups. So let's start first with the savings functions. So the savings from the cornerstone of self-help groups. All members make regular contribution, whether it is weekly or monthly, which creates and it goes into a common group fund. So this practice encourages financial discipline among the members and builds trust and creates a sense of ownership among the members. Now, if you look at the credit, second step, that is credit function. So credit activities begin only after sufficient savings are accumulated. Now loans are provided from the group's own fund with flexible terms and repayment structure. Now later self-help group established bank linkage, allowing them to access loans without collateral, and the entire group takes collective responsibility for the repayment. Now, if you look at the importance of credit, so credit helps members start income generating activities and small businesses. It provides quick financial support during emergencies to the families or the person who has taken the loan. And self-help groups reduce dependence on many lenders and promote self-employment and financial independence to its members, so that there is no financial inclusion on them. Now let's take a look at the marketing side. So self-help groups often engage in collective marketing of their products, and this increases bargaining power and helps members get better prices for their products and in the business. So by reducing the role of middlemen, members earn more stable income and strengthening their entrepreneurship skills. Now let's do the last step, that is the insurance. So insurance provides risk protection to the self-help groups members. So it covers health issues, accident, and death. So this strengthens family structures and family security and reduces financial shocks, prevented distress borrowing, and can help the members in case of any emergencies in their family. Now let's take a look at the integration takeaways of the self-help groups. So all self-help group functions operate in an integrated manner. So saving supports credit enables income generation, and marketing ensures profitability of the group, and insurance provides the security. So together they formulate financial inclusion, empowerment, and long-term sustainability. Now let's take a look at the key takeaways. So the success of a self-help groups lies in their structured and systematic approach. Now savings act as the foundations while credit, marketing, and insurance builds upon it. Now, self-help groups act as a catalyst in rural development and women empowerment, ensuring economic growth and social security. So, to conclude, the self-help groups are powerful tools for empowering rural communities. Their step-by-step pattern of function ensures sustainability, inclusion, and holistic development. Thank you.